What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to get Amazon Flex blocks quickly. So you might be wondering how to exactly get Amazon blocks here quickly. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So first things first is you want to turn on your app notifications. Now double check that the notifications are enabled for the Amazon Flex app. So this might seem basic, but a lot of people miss out on offers just because their phone didn't alert them. Now Flex blocks can drop at any time, so if your phone buzzes at the moment it does, they have better shot at being one of the first to grab it. Also, you want to refresh the offers tab frequently. Now, here's you may want to have a habit that in this case that actually makes a difference here. Now, keep refreshing your offers tab inside the app. Now, Flex blocks go fast, like in seconds, so don't just open the app once or twice. Tap the refresh icon frequently throughout the day, especially when you know drops usually happen. It's like fishing, so the more often you cast, the better your chances of catching something here. Also, try an auto clicker here, but be careful about it. So this tip is a bit advanced but helpful if you use Smarty here. So some drivers use auto clicker apps to speed up the process. So these tools can automatically tap for you, which is helpful when blocks are gone in a blink. However, you need to be super careful if you go too aggressive or use shady apps. You might violate Amazon's policies here. So if you try this route, make sure the tool you use is safe, subtle, and mimics natural tapping here. And honestly, you can still do well without it if you refresh often. And also know the best time to check here. Now, timing matters big time here from what most drivers notice. Blocks tend to drop early in the mornings or around like 10 a.m. and again later in the day, especially afternoons and evenings. So if you plan your check-ins during those windows, you'll improve your odds here. So think of this as rush hours, sometimes times for block releases, so you don't need to stare at your screen all day. Just be strategic about when you look. Also, you want to stay flexible with your schedule here. So this one is the best way to snag extra blocks here. So be ready at the last minute. A lot of flex blocks get released when other drivers cancel or don't show up, especially on weekends. So during holidays or around busy times like dinner or late night deliveries. So if you're inflexible and willing to jump on last minute, blocks can get more opportunities, or you'll get more opportunities than someone who are only available during strict hours here. And also, you want to keep your ratings high here. So in this case, this one might not seem like it affects block grabbing here, but it absolutely does. So Amazon rewards drivers with high ratings and good performance by offering them better or earlier blocks here. So be consistent, show up on time, deliver properly, and avoid customer complaints. So the better your track record is, the more Amazon will trust you with valuable shifts. So it really pays off in the long run. But yeah. So in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.